In this video, we are going to talk about quick and effective workouts for busy people. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. 20 minutes. The workout, yoga. We've all heard the benefits of yoga about a bazillion times. It gets rid of stress, reduces anxiety, and helps stretch tired, sore muscles. But research also shows that including some flow in your regular routine can lead to major strength gains, including a significant increase in 1 rep max performance in the weight room. In practice, Silverfagan recommends a fast vinyasa flow of sequences linked together with sun salutations, think up dog, down dog, and chaturanga over the course of 20 minutes. If this yoga lingo is foreign to you, don't be intimidated. A quick YouTube tutorial search will bring you up to speed for free. Need to know, yoga doesn't have to be a slow burn all the time, says Silverfagan. With the style recommended, it can be equal to moderate intensity cardio, which also helps to develop muscle strength, which will prevent injury during other workouts. 30 minutes. Your workout, weightlifting. Your expert, Denzel Allen, Strong First certified team leader in San Francisco. That old gym standby. Aside from increasing bone density and helping with injury prevention, pumping iron boosts your mood. Research shows that you can build muscle from lifting lighter weights too, which means you don't need to be lifting like an aspiring Matt Fraser to see a big difference. Cardio enthusiasts will be relieved to hear that half hour of serious lifting is also enough to elevate your heart rate. In practice, hitting the weights should be about more than pumping up those beach muscles. 40 minutes. Your workout, Pilates. Your expert, Catherine Mason, founder of Sculpt House. These days, everyone from the guy standing next to you in Starbucks to NFLers like Brandon Cooks are taking on Pilates, especially the Reformer, a machine that looks like a guillotine on its side, equipped with straps, springs, and platforms that offer different levels of resistance. Movements on the machines are based on pushing or pulling against resistance. Think ab roller, lunges, or shoulder press on steroids, says Mason. The machine uses variable spring resistance to allow for peak muscle contraction while reducing the stress on the joints and connective tissue. In practice, in almost every Pilates movement, you'll feel a muscle burn within 15 seconds. Unlike lifting weights in the gym or other classes, these moves focus on time under tension, says Mason. Transitions are kept to a minimum to keep the muscles working and the heart rate up, which means after 40 minutes, you're ready to be done. Need to know, if you're used to explosive exercise, you're going to need to slow your roll. Think between 8 and 16 counts per rep, says Mason. The body needs to reach a certain threshold of exercise intensity to stimulate the muscles effectively and maximize results. 50 minutes. Your workout, running intervals. Your expert, Andrew Slane, Precision Run Studio Coach in New York City. It's time to channel your inner Usain Bolt. Quick bursts of running over an extended amount of time allow you to repeatedly hit high levels of energy further into your workout, says Slane. You are giving that energy system a chance to refuel before using it again, avoiding mid-workout burnout. Plus, interval training scorches calories. 4 30-second sprints can burn the same amount of calories as 30 minutes of non-stop, moderate aerobic exercise, according to research published in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism. In practice, running intervals for 50 minutes means you likely sprint for a total of about 25 minutes. Try tackling 10 400 meters sprints with a 2-minute walking break between each, and then 10 200 meters sprints with a 1-minute's rest between each. With this timing, depending on how fast your sprint and recovery paces are, you could cover between 3 miles to 6 miles in 50 minutes, he says. 60 minutes. Your workout, a long run. Your expert, Jess Woods, Nike running coach. Not only can running lead to a longer life, but it's also great for your mental health. It takes a lot of mental toughness to slow down, stick it out, find your zen, and enjoy a conversational pace, says Woods. Plus, a 160-pound guy burns almost 850 calories running for an hour at a 9 minutes mile pace, according to Runner's World. In practice, The goal for a 60 minutes run is to find a pace where you could talk to someone else and feel comfortable with the effort, says Woods. Aim for a rate of perceived exertion around a 5 or 6 out of 10, where 1 is a nap and 10 is sprinting to the ice cream truck when the outside temperature is approaching triple digits. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.